Let us look at how to count bases and why that's important. In the series of videos on how to use chart patterns to get in early on winning stocks, we saw how these patterns, also called bases, serve as launching pads for a stock's big run. But by the time a stock has formed 3, 4 or more bases, that big run may be coming to an end. So as a general rule, focus on stocks breaking out of a first or second stage base, as those typically generate the largest gains. Third, fourth or later stage bases can work, but they are riskier and are more likely to fail. MarketSmith often does the counting for you. As you are going through a stock chart, you will find mention of the base count. For example, this analysis for Tata Elxsi said it was in a late stage base, and this one for CDSL said it was forming a third stage base. It's typically easier to check the base count by looking at the weekly chart, since that gives you the longer term perspective. Loris Lab formed this deep consolidation during the 2020 bear market. A bear market, which typically means a decline of at least 20% in the major indexes, wipes the slate clean. The base count for all stocks is reset to 1 when a bear market hits. An interim correction, a milder market downturn where the indexes decline less than 20%, does not reset the base count. Following the 2020 bear market, Loris Labs' cup with handle was considered a first stage base. It broke out but started building another cup-shaped base. We still count it as stage 1 base, since the stock didn't move more than 20% from the first base breakout. The stock broke out from the cup-shaped pattern and continued higher until it pulled back to form a new cup-shaped pattern that was considered a second stage base. If the stock breaks out of one base, then starts forming another pattern before it goes up at least 20% from the prior buy point, both those patterns count as one base on base pattern. If the stock undercuts the low of prior base and starts forming another base, the base count will reset to 1. Currently, Loris Lab is trading below the low of the last base it formed in March 2021. If the stock forms a base, no onwards it will be counted as stage 1 base.